Yo, what's up, guys? So we back after 3 months. I said it was gonna be 6 months, but now let's make it 3. So let's just open up Robinhood and to see how much we made or how much we lost. So as you guys can see, we're at 195 right now. I started putting more money in. So in 3 months, we went up $1, $2.16. I know it's not a lot, but it's still growing. Recently, I got paid my dividends as well. For dividends, I got paid on the 24th. I got paid 82 cents. Numbers of shares I got at that moment was 0.38, and it's just growing. So I'm gonna just come back in 6 months and show you guys the results. And recently, I just want to go down what I've been investing in because I added more stuff in my portfolio. I also got into another ETF called Jippy from JP Morgan. I know they say it's not really the best, but it seems like it's a new stock in the stock market, and at the same time I think it has potential of growing because, like I said, they haven't been here not even 5 years. Only they started on May 21st 2020. So, and it looks like they've been growing for a whole year. For the last 3 years they've grown and they fell, but JP Morgan is a big company, so investing in their ETF doesn't seem like a bad idea. And at the same time, like, everything else is down, so JP Morgan being down, it doesn't seem like a big shocker. But like I said, I like buying stocks in a discount, so I'm gonna see how far this goes. And recently, from the day we started, overall it's been going great. But like I said, I'm gonna come back in 6 months and show you guys my results. Might go up, might go down, who knows, but it's the long term that we're hitting in. So that's that. We're just investing in ETFs, mutual funds. And last time I realized I didn't really make sense in what an ETF or a mutual fund is. So an ETF and a mutual fund is basically a stock, is multiple companies in one company, meaning, for example, like the SP 500. The SP 500 is one of the biggest mutual funds.